chocolatey, coconutty goodness. Today, I'll show you how to make chocolate macaroons. These are so simple and so delicious, perfect if you need to whip up something sweet quickly. First, we're going to melt a half cup of butter in a pot on medium heat. Then, throw in 2 cups of white sugar and give it a stir. Next, add in 6 tablespoons of cocoa powder and stir that in a bit as well. Finally, add half a cup of milk and stir until all the dry ingredients are incorporated into the mixture. We're looking for this smooth, chocolatey goodness here. Once it's all mixed in, bring the chocolate to a boil like so. Then add 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Be careful when working with boiling sugar like this, it's extremely hot and can seriously burn you. Now, we'll stir in our 1 cup shredded coconut, followed by 3 cups of rolled oats. Just fold the oats into the chocolate, and once it's all nice and incorporated, you can immediately start spooning the macaroons onto a sheet of parchment to cool. An easy way to do this is to take 2 tablespoons, 1 to scoop and the other to scrape, like so. Once they have cooled, you're left with lovely macaroons. Not much to look at, but if you like chocolate and coconut, this one's for you.